All right, so let's talk about the 5 must-have core elements of any landing page, which can be broken down further into the particular building blocks that I'm about to go through here. But just to kind of give you an idea, the elements here are crucial and essential for the landing page so that it accomplishes its goal, right? And its goal is to capture somebody's information, to make a sale, or to get somebody to take a specific action, right? So the 5 elements here are going to be the unique selling proposition, which is number 1, where you want to have a main headline, and then you want to have a supporting headline, a reinforcing statement, and then a closing argument. Now, I'm going to walk through a visual example of these particular elements so you can see them on a particular landing page, but I just want to lay these out for you. Now, the main headline, this could be as simple as learn how to make money online, or learn how to lose weight, right? Nice and simple. And then you want to have the supporting headline, something that kind of supports obviously that main headline. So learn how to lose weight, right, can be the main headline. And then it could be on the supporting headline, learn how to lose weight fast, even if you have tried other diets in the past, right? Something nice and simple, or even learn how to lose weight without having to diet and exercise, right? Something that is supporting your main headlines. Then you want to have like a reinforcing statement where you essentially lay out like another critical detail, another critical kind of reinforcement that really paints the picture for your prospect, right? So you have your main headline, learn how to lose weight, supporting headline, learn how to lose weight without diet and exercise, and then the reinforcement statement, learn how to easily lose weight with this new and improved diet or system, or whatever that may be. And the closing argument statement can be as simple as XYZ number of people are losing weight, have lost weight, and now you can too with this step-by-step system, right? Nice and simple. And so number 2, which is the hero shot, and this is where we have like images or maybe like a video that talks about that particular, product, that service, that offer that you're presenting, right? Nice and simple. And then number 3, this is where we have the benefits. This is where you have like the bullet points, like, learn how to easily lose weight without diet and exercise, and then how to eat your most favorite foods while still losing weight. Things like that, where they are supporting your headline, your unique value proposition, right? And it's just kind of extra added bonuses that people get to know that they are also getting, and what's included once they purchase or they submit their information. And then we have social proof. Now, I think this is one of the most important parts here, because with social proof, this lets people know that others have already been successful with this product or service, and that if others can be successful with this product and service, then they can as well, right? So this is kind of like the herd mentality. XYZ people, or John or Jane, is having success and has lost weight, then I can too, right? It gives people the understanding and the trust that, hey, if somebody else is experiencing this and has a good experience, and I should be able to have a good experience as well. So number 5, this is where you have your final call to action here, right? This is where you're telling people what exactly to do. Click here, buy now, submit your information, right? You want it to be hyper specific, because people are oftentimes going to be, right, procrastinating. They're going to be, thinking it over, and you want people to not really think about it, because at the end of the day, right, in this sense, at the end of the day, people are going to make a decision based off emotion, then they're going to justify it logically. So if they're trying to get all the data points, the facts, and all this stuff, right, they're never really going to make a decision. And that's the same thing if they're buying a car, or if they're buying a simple ebook for $37, $47, whatever that may be, right? It's all based off emotion, and very, very little of it has to do with logic, because the logic is justified after the purchase has been made. Now let's go to the actual landing page design element. So this is essentially what we talked about in the previous slides, where you have the headline that matches what was clicked on the ad or email or whatever it is that you sent out to your market, right, to your prospective market, and they clicked on the ad or whatever, and they got to this page now, which is a landing page that gets them to take a desired action, right? So here's the headline, here's the supporting headline, here's the hero shot here, and then you have the form header. This is where they're putting in their information, a nice big call to action button there, and then you have some social proof here. Then you tell them a little bit about what this is in more detail, some benefits right here, right, and then another social proof testimonial right here as well. Now, this is like essentially above the fold here, this first page, and this is like below the fold. So just think about this second page here as the continuation of this first one here, because I couldn't get this to fit all in one slide as far as, you know, the whole length of it. So then here we have a reinforcing statement to maintain the interest, and then we have more benefits right here, right? The features and the benefits. All these things are important because you want to get the prospect excited. You want to get them wanting to, you know, purchase this product, to submit their information, whatever that may be, because the whole emotional side of things is what's really going to make them want to do this particular action here, right? Email information, contact information, purchasing information, whatever that may be that you're looking for them to submit, right? You want to make this very personal, and the more personal that you can make this, the easier it is for the actual prospects to convert, because it's just like you're talking to them, and they're going to feel that way, like, wow, this person here is talking to me, so let me go ahead and, you know, take this desired action, whatever it may be. That's it for this section here, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks. All right, so now let's go through a landing page design walkthrough here. Now, I use ClickFunnels. There's a ton of different funnel building softwares out there.